Winter is finally here, as you can see how I am dressed, and we've made some vital changes in the chicken coop, one of which is actually changing up their watering system so that it is winter proof. So if you've watched some of our previous videos, we have created a few different watering systems to help automate some of the watering so that we don't have to bring out barrels of water every single day. And our new system honestly is the bee's knees, the best thing that we've had so far, because we don't have a hose or a water source that goes directly to our barn. This is something that can really help alleviate a lot of the water tasks and automating a lot of the systems. And it also is going to help hold up to the cold winter weather and make sure that your water isn't freezing. But what is it? Now, that is the real question. And during the winter, it's really important that your chickens get all of the water that they need. Not only do they need to stay hydrated just all year long, but in the winter, it's really going to help them digest their food in the best way if they are able to have enough water. And food is really important during the cold months to help keep them warm, as their feathers can only do so much. Okay, but let's actually talk about what we're using here today. So for our watering, we are going to use a large 32-gallon garbage bin. We have around 40 chickens today, so this just provides us with enough water for everyone that needs it. And then we also bungeed the top with, we always honestly just have bungees around, so I definitely suggest this. This is just going to safeguard it in case your chickens do knock off the lid. This way, everything's in there and nobody falls in or gets hurt. We then move down along here, and we've hooked up these little watering cups. We did around 4 of them on here, and they're honestly pretty easy. We just bought these from Amazon. They come in a nice large pack, and the water will just come out when you press this button, and it creates a little dish for the chicks. This also has a screw on it, so you have a hole in there and it will go in and out. So you can kind of see right there, it's filling up. So these are really, really great. But our winter setup here, that's the big differentiator, is this band right here. So this band can fit up to a 55-gallon tub, and it actually is going to be plugged in to an electrical outlet. So you are going to want to have electric to your barn in order to use this. And I'll link down everything below, but what's really nice here is it is just a heater, so you can set the temperature over here and it will heat up all of the water. And when you put your arm in here, you can really feel that the water is pretty warm. We've gotten down to around 7 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's been pretty great. It's warded off any frost, and you can see the chickens are still eating it pretty well. Something else to think about is always making sure to provide your chicks with food all winter long. They really need this in order to actually keep themselves having enough energy in order to keep their bodies warm. And our chickens love this feed. We actually use Nature Serve, and it's a really good product that provides all the nutrients that your chickens need all winter and summer long in order to lay really good eggs. This small change in our watering has made such a significant difference. Last year, we did purchase a heated watering system, and although it did work really well, we do have quite a large flock here this year that we really needed something much larger, so we didn't have to come in and fill it every single day. And this larger system allows us to only fill the system up around 1 time per week. So it's really 1 time that you're bringing in pails of water, and everything's been staying pretty warm throughout the winter. So I hope you find this helpful. I have links down below of everything that we used to make this watering system, and let me know what you think.